Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Really quick video. This is sort of a reenactment because I had to go get the camera. I didn't have it. But I was looking out my back window and I noticed the dandelions here with the seeds on it. And I just seen one who was like a flag being brought down the pole. I just saw this one lone dandelion somewhere over here. It just started getting lower and lower and lower and then disappeared. And with my attention span, as it is, I came out in the backyard to change the water on the bird feeder over there. On the bird bath. And then I was just observing the bees again, take any opportunity I can to see what's going on at the entrance. And I had a bee hit me in the neck, so I backed up because I seemed to be in the path even though I was off to this side here. So I backed up just a little bit more, and it's a good thing I stopped when I did, because I'm looking down here, and I don't even know why I looked. I was just looking on the ground. I don't know if you could see it. See if the camera's bringing it in here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's so difficult to see. There's let's see where my foot is. Here's my foot. Let me go back off. So you can see it's less than a foot away. Now that one's smaller than the one that I've seen. So that's just great. Got rabbits all over the place. Evidently, it's almost like fawns, right? They programmed to just stay still. Another baby rabbit. Almost stepped on it. I'm sure it would have moved. Hope there's not. Could be. I don't think there's well, could be another one. It'll probably move when I bring the camera up close. Nope. Not moving. I'll go around the front here. It's not even moving its nose. It's like it's not even breathing. Well, this is New England Gardening anyways. Got a quick video here of a baby rabbit in the yard. Give you an idea of the size. Here's my fingers. Oops. Okay, there it goes. It does move when it wants to, or needs to. This is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.